climate change is a game changer. And we saw a lot of problems these years. Think about the big droughts that we have seen in California, for example, or floods in Philippines or in Germany, or the desertification that is growing everywhere. So this is a big problem because all these factors affect the agriculture. And so we are asking to the farmer to produce more food because we have a growing population that need food. But at the same time, they are in trouble because all this climate change, they are in difficulties to produce food. And think about, for example, to the water. Water is a big issue, and statistics said that 40% of the population in the next few years will be without water. And that is a massive problem. So we found a solution. We found solutions to help them. We found solutions to give them the possibility to maintain, to adapt their agriculture, as well as to obtain results to feed the growing population. Well, again, climate change is the most important. We discussed a lot also here in the forum. But the problem is, again, we need more food, and the farmers are under the attention because they need to reduce stuff. For example, they need to reduce chemical fertilizer. In Europe passed a legislation called the Farm to Fork, and with Farm to Fork they have to reduce by 2030 20% of chemical fertilizer. How they can do it? Because we need more food and less fertilizer. That is why we, as Resonant Technology, we found solution to help them to be more adaptive, to create an adaptation, to reposition the agriculture in a more sustainable way, to produce more with less. This is the goal. Well, when the iPhone was developed, a lot of people thought that it was too good to be true. But now everybody uses and nobody asks why, because it works. And that is exactly our technology. Our technology is able to harness the microorganisms, for example, that are very related to the spoilage, to the emissions, as well as to growing food. Think about rumen, or think about soil or liquid manure, pound, and so on. So we are able to interact with them to obtain great results. We heavily invested in science in North America as well as in Europe to be recognized as a solution that are effective through scientific publication and so on. As well as we have hundreds of customers in North America and in Europe that every day are using this technology. Let me show you something. You can see in this picture, for example, results to comparison between treated and untreated with our product in corn, or in alfalfa, or in fruits, vegetables, vineyard, and so on. We can bring this solution that you saw in Africa and in other countries, in the developing countries, and as we, in a small part, we made when we offered a solution to Congo and to Republic Democratic of Congo as well as in Nepal, and we saw great results to small villages. For sure that we can be down in a scalable way, and that will be here the good chance to meet people, to raise funds, to create partnership, to reach this type of goals that are very important to the growing population, and to help them, and to help these small villages or big country as well to become more sustainable, providing food without creating problem to the planet.